How to change camera resolution on Fotor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So here, there are different options that you can customize. So if you slowly scroll down, there's a section of settings. Tap on settings. Now, we're in this settings interface. Here there's another section of general. Tap on general, and on the top tap on camera resolution. So this is the place where you can select the resolution that you want. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. At last, head on save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.